Pnawn da, boneddigion a boneddigesau. Croeso, gawn ni ofyn I chi sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would you like to please stand to receive the platform party? Thank you. Would you like to sit, please? Before we commence the official proceedings this afternoon, please can I ask you to respect some housekeeping points so that the ceremony can progress smoothly this afternoon. Our official photographers are present today and will be taking pictures, so could I ask you to please refrain from approaching the stage to take photos. You are welcome to take pictures from your seats, but the walkways need to remain clear for all our graduates. Please recognise our students' achievements this afternoon with a hearty round of applause. However, as this is a formal event, we do ask that there's no cheering or shouting. Out of respect for every graduate who's receiving an award, could you please remain seated until the end of the ceremony, until the platform party leaves the stage? And also, could you now please turn off your mobile phones or put them in flight mode if you wish to take pictures with them, or at least turn the sound off. Many thanks. The official photographs from today will be available on our Facebook pages next week. You can find links to our social media accounts on our website at gllm.ac.uk. I now invite Mr. Aled Jones-Griffiths, Principal of Coleg Menai and Coleg Miriam Durfor, to officially welcome you to this year's graduation ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Aled Jones-Griffith.
Pnawn da, croeso I chi gyd I seremoni raddio grŵp Llandrillo Menai 2019. Fy mraint I ydy cael eich croesawu chi a'ch llongyfarchu I gyd ar lwyddo I ennill eich graddau yn un o 3 choleg y grŵp, Coleg Llandrillo, Coleg Menai neu Coleg Miriam Dwyfor. A very warm welcome, and it is warm, to you all to Group Llandrillo Menai's 2019 graduation ceremony. It's my privilege to be able to welcome you and to congratulate all of you on achieving your degrees while studying at one of our 3 colleges, at Coleg Llandrillo, Coleg Menai, or Coleg Miriam Dwyfor. Mae heddiw yn ddiwrnod o ddathlu ac o lawenhau. Dathlu'r ffaith eich bod chi, ein graddodigion llwyddiannus, wedi gweld eich holl waith caled yn dwyn ffrwyth. Mae hefyd yn gyfle I chi yn deuluodd, yn ffrindiau, dwi'n yn gwybod sa gŵn a cathod yma, yn bartneriad I ymuno yn y dathlu a rhannu yn eich llwyddiant chi I wneud heddiw yn ddiwrnod byth gofiadwy. Today is a time for celebration and rejoicing. Celebrating the fact that as you, our successful graduates, have made it and all your hard work has paid off. It's also time for families, partners and friends to join in your celebration and share in your success. So to those families, friends and partners, Do please cheer, even though Toby asked you not to. Please applaud, and more than all, make today a truly memorable day for all involved. Un myfyrwyr ni, hwn ydych un eiliad o enwogrwydd chi. Felly peidiwch â bod yn swyl pan ydych chi'n cael eich galw ymlaen i'r llwyfan. For our students, this is your moment of glory. Your 10 seconds in the limelight, so enjoy it. And don't be afraid of showing your emotions as you're called to the stage. Mae'n bleser gen I hefyd gael croesawu ein gwesteion arbennig o'r prifysgolion. Mae'ch cefnogaeth a'ch cydweithrediad yn cael ei werthfawrogi yn fawr mwyn sicrhau ac yn helpu ni I alluogi bod graddedigion yn llwyddo yn flynyddol. It's my great pleasure to also welcome our distinguished guests from our partnering university. Without your support, collaboration and guidance, it would not have been possible for our students to succeed. Diolch yn fawr iawn chi am eich cefnogaeth. Thank you for your support. Professor Graham Upton, our Prifysgol Bangor, on behalf of Bangor University. Professor Alex Shepley, our Prifysgol Glyndŵr, on behalf of Glyndŵr University. Professor Michael Mulqueen, on behalf of the University of Central Lancashire. Thank you for your continued support. Dwi rwan am drosglwyddo'r awena yn ôl I Toby, sydd am ein harwain drwy weddill y seremoni. I will now hand back to Toby Prosser, who will take us through today's presentations.
Well, diolch yn fawr, Aled. We are now about to start our presentations. And to start, we have the BA Anrhydedd, Celfyddyd, Gain. That's the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Fine Arts. And our first graduate to the stage this afternoon is Hannah Campbell. Cheryl Clark. Cheyenne Fowler. Susanna Greenwood. Julia McMullen. And our first graduate who's achieved a first this afternoon, Nicola Ryan. Elan Stockwell. And also with a first, Billy Taylor. We move on to the BA Anrhydedd Ffotograffiaeth, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Photography, and we welcome Claire Davis. Paul Johnson. Graduating with a first, Jonathan Kidd. Anthony McDermott. And Sean Monument. We move now to the BA Anrhydedd Rheoli a Business at Coleg Llandrillo, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Management and Business at Coleg Llandrillo. Our first graduate is Anne Bolshaw. Charlotte Bland. Buba Cisse. Catherine Evans. Paul Evans. Lauren Grayson. Shinos Hughes. And with a first, Claire Hughes. Chris Jones. Jean Cokewood. With a first, Wendy Lappin. Stephen Lester. Also with a first, Daniel Meadows. Christopher Morris. Robert Morris. Bethan Roberts. And with a first, Andrew Scott. Also with a first, Christopher Thomas. Malika Vitar-Jalern. And finally, this group with a first, Barry Wilkinson. We move on now to the BA Anrhydedd Rheoliau Business at Coleg Menai, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Management and Business at Coleg Menai. And with a first, we welcome Awel Toohill. And also with the first, Alexandria Williams. Graddau Sylfaen Rheoliau Business, Foundation Degree in Management and Business at Coleg Llandrillo now, and we welcome Kieran Cranham. Michelle Hughes. Robin Jones. And Lisa Jones. Graddau Sylfaen Rheoliau Business at Coleg Menai, Foundation Degree in Management and Business at Coleg Menai. We welcome Adele Masters. And Stephanie Williams. BSc Cyflogwyr, ddatblygwyd meddalwydd, Bachelor of Science in Computing Software Development, with a first, David Bracken. and Andrew Livings. Graddau Sylfaen cyflogwyr ddatblygwyd, foundation degree in computing software development. Welcome Christopher Ashford. Nikolinka Atanasova. Samuel Corner. Elliot Roberts. Okay, we move now to the Graddau Sylfaen cyflogwyr ddatblygwyd, foundation degree in computing networking, and we have one graduate, Adam Jones. Now we have the BSc Anrhydedd mewn rhoi, adeiladwaith masnachol, the Bachelor of Science with Honours in Commercial Construction Management, and graduating with a first, as the only one in that group, Mr. Alexander Roebuck. The eang Anrhydedd mewn peirianneg civil, the Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in Civil Engineering, graduating with a first, Bryn Roberts. And also with a first, Gareth Smith. Graddau Sylfaen adeiladu, foundation degree in construction. We welcome Colin James Davis. Tystysgrif addysg uwch mewn adeiladu, higher education certificate in construction. Our first graduate is Barry Crevetto. Fionn Evans. Jake Jones. James Lehman. Ben Sadler. Emily Williams. And Alex Williams. Tystysgrif addysg uwch mewn peirianneg civil, higher education certificate in civil engineering. Graduating are Jenny Brady, Joseph Griffiths, Darren Jones, Jessica Roberts, Lisa Williams, and Gwenann Williams. Graddau Sylfaen iaith arwyddion Rydym ac astudiaethu byddardod, foundation degree in British Sign Language and Deaf Studies, Janine Hall. Nathan Robert Beaumont. And Nicola Fay. Nicola Fay Greenland, sorry. Okay, we move on to the BA Anrhydedd Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol at Coleg Llandrillo, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Health and Social Care at Coleg Llandrillo. We have Danielle Hughes with a first. Alicia Pugh-Creft. Katie Reynolds. Tamara Roberts. And with the first, Elizabeth Wainwright. Jennifer Walker. And also with the first, Paula Woodgate. BA Anrhydedd, mewn ystod plentyndod a chymwys dysgu, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Childhood and Learning Support Studies. Please welcome Christine Baker. With the first, Lee Cooper. Anna Davis. Marad Ellis. Victoria Mooney. Jessica Shingler. Kerry Taylor. Daisy Wilkinson. And with the first, Melanie Williams. Also with the first, Anita Williams. Okay, this is the BA mewn ystodiaethau plentyndod a chymwys dysgu, Bachelor of Arts in Childhood and Learning Support Studies, and we welcome Anna Lee Boyle. We move to the Graddau Sylfaen mewn ystodiaethau plentyndod a chefnogi dysgu at Coleg Llandrillo. That's the foundation degree in Childhood and Learning Support Studies at Coleg Llandrillo. Our first graduate is Celia Jane Caldicott. Jennifer Kimelli. Lucy Evans. Fiona Fowler. Kimberly Galbraith. Shania Howard. Hayley Hughes. Marion Jones. Marie McTurk. Georgia Williams. And astonishingly, again, Georgia Williams. Christian Wilson. And Laura Pearson-Ellis. We move now to Graddau Sylfaen a Gofyn Cymdeithasol at Coleg Llandrillo. Foundation degree in Health and Social Care at Coleg Llandrillo. Our first graduate is Hannah Craig. Andrea Faulkner. Samuel Harty. Nigel Jones. Samantha Nolan. Lucy Roberts. And finally, Jeffrey Rogers. I think that's the sort of cheering that Aled was talking about earlier, so that's absolutely fine. Graddau Sylfaen a Gofyn Cymdeithasol, Coleg Miriam Durford. Foundation degree in Health and Social Care at Coleg Miriam Durford. Our first graduate is Fiona Christie Jones. Lana Jones. Leonie Jones. Kelly Coase. Donna McCormick. Delaney Owen. And Sean Price. Okay, we move to the BA Anrhydedd Rheolaeth Lletigalwch, the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Hospitality Management, and our first graduate is Jusin Doi. Bethany Jones. And Benjamin Wilson. Now, BA Anrhydedd and Celfyddydau, Coginio, that's the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Culinary Arts. Welcome, please, Victoria Barnes. Carol Davis. Andrea Hardin. We move to the Graddau Sylfaen Celfyddydau Coginio, Foundation Degree in Culinary Arts. We welcome Stephen Blore. And Regan Jones. We move to the BA Anrhydedd Rhoi Llyfrgelloedd a Wybodaeth, Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Library and Information Management. And graduating with a first is Sarah Dealey. Also with the first, Lisa Ellis. Marion Jones. With the first, Julie Morgan Jones. David Owen. And also with the first, Emma Stedman. Now we move to the BA Anrhydedd Cyflogwyr. That's the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Creative Media. Please welcome with the first, John Brookwell. James Lahart. And Sean Pritchard. We'd have to make quite a lot of extra time for that sort of action to happen on every occasion. BA Anrhydedd and Ymgeihoriad 3D ddatblygwyd, the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in 3D Animation and Games Development, and our first graduate is Daniel Enticott. Aidan Joan. Jack Lever. And with a first, Aaron Wilson. The Graddau Sylfaen Cyflogwyr, the Foundation Degree in Broadcast Media Production, is awarded to Brandon Davis. Jack Fallows. Emma Hughes. Grace Morrison. Bethany Santo. And Danielle Weir. Graddau Sylfaen Animadio 3D, ddatblygwyd, foundation degree in 3D animation and games development is awarded to Ashley Hughes. The BSc Anrhydedd, chwaraeon, hyfoddi ym maes chwaraeon, the Bachelor of Science with Honours in Sports Science and Sports Coaching, is awarded to Danielle Hesketh. Blake Jones. Alex Lloyd. Callum Mitchell. Kirsty Smith. And Russell Williams. This is the Graddau Sylfaen chwaraeon, hyfoddi ym maes chwaraeon. The foundation degree in sports science, sports coaching this time. Melissa Geddes. Sean Jones. Carla Lee Llewellyn. Jake McKenna. And Victoria Roberts. Okay, we move to the BA Anrhydedd Rheoli ym maes teithio a twristiaeth. That is the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Management and Travel of Tourism. We welcome with a first, Rebecca Hall. Abby Lambert. Adriana Pecora. With a first, Lois Thomas. And also with a first, Emma Williams. And finally, Aisha Umarova. Tystysgrif addysg proffesiynol I Rydym, Coleg Llandrillo. That's the Professional Certificate in Education at Coleg Llandrillo. Our first recipient is Clara Bowles. Caris Guy. Andrew Hurst. Richard Jones. Sioned Roberts. Stephen Sharp. and Kelly Williams. We move now to the tystysgrif Professional mewn addysg at Coleg Llandrillo. That's the Professional Certificate in Education at Coleg Llandrillo. And we welcome Lindsay Flynn. Mark Jones. And Vida Richards. And this is the tystysgrif Professional mewn addysg a Rydym at Coleg Merion Durfor. Professional Certificate in Education at Coleg Merion Durfor. We welcome Caris Davis. No widows. Okay, we'll move on. The tystysgrif Professional mewn addysg a Rydym at Coleg Menai now. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education. We welcome Richard Cashman. Gwenllian Evans. Karen Hughes. And Christine Williams. Professor Upton, you'll be glad to know that this is perhaps the last group that you'll be standing for this afternoon. It's a marathon, but you've done extremely well. Dyma'r grŵp olaf brifysgol Bangor. This is the final group for Bangor University, and this is the tystysgrif Professional mewn addysg at Coleg Menai, the Professional Certificate in Education at Coleg Menai, and we welcome Owen Hughes. And Peter Jones. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Professor Upton. That now concludes the presentations to students who successfully completed qualifications awarded to Bangor University, or by Bangor University. Before we move on to the next round of presentations, I'd like to invite David Evans, the Chief Executive Officer, and Dr. Griff Jones, the Vice Chairman of the Corporation Board, both to say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, firstly this afternoon, Mr. David Evans.
Wel, pleser mawr iawn gen I ydy fel prifysgol y grŵp i'ch croesawu chi a bod yn rhan o'r dathliad yma hefo chi heddiw yma. Dwi rwan dod I ddiwedd y rhydym flwyddyn fel prifysgol a dos am diwrnod gwell na'r diwrnod pan da ni'n cael dathlu hefo chi eich llwyddiant chi. It's a great privilege to be here at the end of my third year as Chief Exec and to offer my sincere congratulations to you all as graduates. I would stress that I don't have to wear this outfit every day, thankfully. And I'm sure you're getting pretty warm as I am as graduates down there in this theatre. A day like this really underlines the difference that colleges make to our communities. And Grŵp Llandrillo Menai is making a difference to the lives of local people. Only this week we've launched our new strategic plan and our new mission statement. And our new mission statement is improving people's futures, gwella dyfodol pobl. A dwi'n meddwl bod y seremoni yma heddiw yn dysteb o'n bod ni yn gwneud hynny. This is a real testament to our own mission statement that we are improving people's lives. Today, you are the pride of North Wales and the toast of your families and your friends. And those of you who are in employment, you're also making your employers very proud. Mae hyn I gyd amdano fo ydy bod chi'n medru gwneud hyn yn eich coleg lleol. Be sy'n bwysig I ni ydy bod chi'n medru gwneud hyn ar gos tresymol. So the important things for you to remember is that you've been able to achieve this at your local college and hopefully at a reasonable cost, and that doesn't always happen these days in HE. Mae heddiw'n ddwrnod mawr yn eich bywydau chi. Felly, plis, mwynhewch. Dydy dynodiau fel hyn ddim yn dod yn aml. It's a big day and really enjoy it. These big days don't come that often. And we recognise the stresses and the pressures that you've been through to achieve what you've managed to do. Some of you have families to juggle while you've been through your courses, and a lot of pressure can come from that, and work and employment as well. And I'm sure that you would not have reached that target had it not been for the support of your tutors and the staff at your colleges. So could I ask that your students and families can put your hands together for the staff of Coleg Llanryddio, Coleg Menai and Coleg Meirionddwyfor. Nid yn unig y certificate ydych chi wedi cael heddiw, ydych chi wedi cael llawer iawn mwy, dwi'n gobeithio. I hope we've had much more than just the certificate today. Hopefully during this journey you've gained confidence and self-belief. You've also gained a network of peers that you'll have contact with for the rest of your careers possibly. So there are many added value benefits to going through this type of experience. So please, one favour I'd ask you is to go out there, back to your communities, and share with them the experiences that you've got and persuade others to lead on the same journey. There's a quote that says that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So please think of, yes, be very proud about the certificate you're getting, but please see it as a springboard to something else. It's a clear recognition of your ability, your persistence, that you've achieved your qualification. But believe in yourself now with that qualification and take yourselves forward. So please consider today being the beginning of a journey, and challenge yourself to be thinking about going for that job that you dreamt of, that promotion you might have thought of. Sometimes we don't go for those jobs or those promotions because we fear rejection. Don't fear rejection. There's no shame in trying and failing. There is shame in not trying at all. And some of the most successful people in the world have felt rejection before they have felt failure. Some examples of that. There was an old gentleman who was living in America, and he had a recipe for a chicken dish. And he really believed in his recipe. And he went around a few restaurants trying to sell his recipe. They all rejected it. He went around 1,008 restaurants. The 1,009th accepted his recipe. And today, Colonel Sanders has KFC on every high street. Similarly, Walt Disney, one of the most famous people in the world, he needed a loan for his first film. He had to visit 320 banks. I didn't know 320 banks existed, but they probably do in America. 320 banks before he actually got his loan. And we all know now that Walt Disney is a name that everybody across the world is aware of. So you must be persistent and don't fear failure. Some of our students have been really successful. We have students of Grŵp Llanryddion who are doctors, nurses, managing directors of large companies in North Wales, even a university vice-chancellor, senior social workers, and a director of Sainsbury's, a top engineer in Toyota. So there is no glass ceiling. The world is there full of opportunities. Please take them. Mae Cymru angen pobl sydd yn uchelgeisiol. Da ni eisiau gweld economi Gogledd Cymru yn ffynnu. A mi ydych chi wedi dangos bod y gallu ganddo chi I helpu'r economi ffynnu. You've shown that you've got the talent to make the North Wales economy grow. Please take that challenge on board and make it happen. As Walt Disney said, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Diolch yn fawr iawn chi am wrando, a pob llwyddiant i'ch llongyfarchiadau.
Pnawn da, good afternoon. Hoffwn yn gyntaf sôn ychydig am y bartneriaeth yr ydym wedi datblygu gyda prifysgolion sydd yma heddiw I allu cyflwyno graddau yn y coleg. I would like to say a few words about our partnership with universities represented here today. Together, we have created a tremendous legacy of widening access to HE in North West Wales. Many thousands of students have progressed to successful careers in our major industry and small businesses throughout Wales. We look forward to continuing this success and continuing our work in supporting our local community. The higher education body that oversees quality for the UK confirmed during a recent inspection that Grŵp Llanryddion higher education provision meets all of the UK standards, and they commended our approach to securing and supporting learning opportunities. The Senior Council have also recently visited the group, the first of any such visit conducted in an FE college, establishing the institution's strength in partnership with our closest higher education providers. Rydych chwi, fel graddedigion, wedi elwa o'r gwaith caled sydd wedi i'w wneud o fewn y coleg, a gyda prifysgolion o'r tu allan, I allu cyflwyno cyrsiau gradd o safon. Hoffwn nodi chydig o ffeithiau am y coleg sydd yn adlewyrchu ei bwysigrwydd i'r gymuned leol. I'd like to give you some brief data about Grŵp Llanryddion, as I don't always believe we realise the success story on our doorstep. We are the 7th largest college group in the UK, with 21,000 students, of which 1,500 are HE students. We turn over 70 million, and are an important local employer with around 1,650 staff. Our higher education success and examination rates continue to exceed national comparators, and we remain at the top level of the Welsh league tables. Your successes are very much due to the efforts of our dedicated staff, and we have supported you, and I would like to thank them sincerely for their contribution today. Y mae y coleg yn sefydliad llwyddiannus sydd yn bwysig i'r gymuned. Hoffwn datgan diolch y llywodraethwyr I holl staff y coleg am ei gwaith caled dros y blynyddoedd I gyflawni hyn. Mae gan y coleg gyfraniad allweddol yn atblygiad economaidd Gogledd Cymru trwy gynnig hyfforddiant o safon uchel. We know that there is still more to do. There are some new economic developments in North Wales being formulated within the work of the North Wales Growth Bid. The demand for skills is growing, and we want to get even better at our role of ensuring that the young people and adults within Conwy, Denbigh, Gwynedd and Anglesey have the right opportunities to develop academic and vocational skills. This includes the essential qualities of enterprise, communications, and confidence to equip them for their future lives and careers right now and right here in our community. Hoffwn yn olaf, droi at y chwi ein graddedigion. In conclusion, most important of all today, I would like to turn to our students who have received and those who are still to receive their awards. Whatever your ambitions and future plans, you are now well equipped to address them. On behalf of Grŵp Llanrugolmenau, I wish you both luck and success for the future. We are immensely proud of what you have achieved and hope that you will remain in contact with us and update us on your progress. Rydym fel coleg yn hynod falch o'n myfyrwyr a'i hymdrechion. Mwynhewch y gweddill o'r diwrnod a llongyfarchiadon mawr i chi gyd.
Diolch yn fawr Dr Griff Jones and diolch yn fawr David Evans. We're now going to move on to our awards from Glyndŵr University, and we welcome Professor Alex Shepley on behalf of Glyndŵr to receive students who have successfully completed qualifications awarded by the institution. So thank you so much. Our first award is the BA Anrhydedd Polisiau, Cyhoeddus a Cymdeithasol. That is the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Public and Social Policy. And our first recipient this afternoon, with a first, is Lauren Benham. Karen Keith. And also with a first, Claire Latham. Graddau Sylfaen Celf Dylunio, the foundation degree in art and design. We welcome Josie Jones. Sorry. So Joanne, oh so sorry. Joanne Castellanos. Simon Foster. And now, Josie Jones. Eleni Parry. And Rosie Williams. This is now the HNC Ystodiaethau Adeiladu, the Higher National Certificate in Building Studies. We welcome Bethan Jones. And Hugh Parry-Jones. We move to the HNC Perianeg Civil, the Higher National Certificate in Civil Engineering. Please welcome Gethin Williams. The HNC Technoleg Drydanol Electronic, the Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Technology. Please welcome Duncan Edwards. Anthony Gray. Blevin Thomas. And Matthew Thomas. This is the final group from Graddio University. It's the HNC Technoleg Fechynyddol. That's the HNC Certificate in Mechanical Technology. We welcome John Evans. David Ham. Robert Jeffrey. And Liam Pritchard. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Professor Shepley. That now concludes the last group of students who have successfully completed qualifications at Glyndŵr University. Thanks so much. We now move on to the University of Central Lancashire, and I now invite Professor Michael Mulqueen to receive students on behalf of the University of Central Lancashire who have successfully completed their qualifications there. Warm welcome, croeso. And we move swiftly on to the BSc Anrhydedd mewn ymgynghoriad troseddol, and that is the Bachelor of Science with honours in Policing and Criminal Investigation. It's unusual that a qualification gets a cheer, but there we are. Aled Griffiths. Matthew Henley. Mallory Jones. Lewis Mitchell. And with the first, Chloe Rimmer. Right. Kieran Rowlands. Gemma Stavely. Hugh Torr. Jacqueline Wilcox. And with the first, Alicia Williams. We move down to the Graddau Sylfaen mewn Polismona. That's the foundation degree in policing. Welcome, please, Chloe Bellows. James Barat. Hannah Fletcher. Christopher Hederick. Kelsey Hesketh. Aaron Kinnan. Caitlin Latham. Caitlin Mitchell. Tia Rothery. Janina Salario. Jessica Small. and Shelley Top. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Professor Mulqueen. That completes the group of graduates from the University of Central Lancashire. Thanks so much. We now move on to recognise our students who have successfully completed qualifications through edXcel. I would like to welcome back Dr. Griff Jones, the Vice Chair of the Corporation Board, to receive our final group of students this afternoon. And we move to the Tystysgrifft Genedlaethol Ewch Mewn Perianneg Gyffredinol, and that's the Higher National Certificate in General Engineering. And first to receive their award this afternoon is Rory Bennett. Elliot Foxburn. Dominic Kent. Stephen Parry. Andrew Rowlands. Robert Tysteel. And last this afternoon, Christopher Wallace. Dr. Griff Jones, diolch yn fawr. This concludes all presentations to students who've completed higher education qualifications awarded by Bangor, Glyndŵr and the University of Central Lancashire, and those awarded by professional awarding bodies. I now invite, again, Mr. Aled Jones Griffith, Principal of Coleg Menai and Coleg Miriam Dearford, to say a few words to officially close this year's graduation ceremony. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Aled Jones Griffiths.
Waw. Os am byd gwell na gweld pobl ifanc yn llwyddo a teuluoedd yn dathlu. There's nothing better than seeing young people achieve and families celebrate. And it's so refreshing to hear young voices sign them up for a course before you leave. Gyfeillion a chriwnodedig y llwyfan, ymraint ydy cael cynnig ychydig o sylwadau i gloi y digwyddiad arbennig iawn hwn ac eich llangyfarch eto ar eich llwyddiannau. Ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests, I'm pleased to be able to say a few words to close today's ceremony and to sincerely congratulate you all on the achievements being celebrated here today. I would like to thank formally our colleagues from the universities for their continued support of this afternoon's ceremony by receiving the college graduates. Your presence means a great deal to us and to the graduates, and thank you for taking your time out from your university commitments to be with us today. Graduates, today is your day and you have worked hard for it. I'm sure you will agree, however, that without the support and encouragement of your parents, husbands, wives, partners, children, friends, employers, and very importantly, our college tutors, your road to success could have been a whole lot bumpier and somewhat longer. Some of those people will be in here with you today, sitting justifiably proud in the audience. I would like you all now to do something. Please stand up, turn around, and join me in showing your appreciation to your supporters who are here today. The fact that you have been able to pursue your HE ambitions at Grŵp Llandrillomenau shows the group's commitment to providing accessible, quality higher education right on your doorstep, like David mentioned in his speech, without the cost necessarily associated with living away from home. It is heartwarming to see so many children here today to watch their parents graduate. You're setting a shining example and giving a positive message that learning is part of everyday life, not just something that you do in school. Ladies and gentlemen, hearty congratulations. It makes me very proud to recognise your achievements here today. Thank you. Mwynhewch y pnawn, byddwch hyderus, byddwch yn ofnadwy o fentrus, peidiwch y bod ofn, mae'r byd yn le ofnadwy o gyffroes i chi rwan efo'r cymwysterau sydd ganddoch chi tu nôl i chi. Be confident. Make sure that you take every opportunity that life throws at you. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you. Goodbye.
Aled, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much indeed, and thank you this afternoon for having been at today's ceremony. Before we leave, I'd like to just give you a couple of reminders, if I may, certainly for graduates, their families and guests. Post-ceremony refreshments will be served in the main theatre foyer in the Orme Suite, so please do join us, we'll be there. Studio staff working for Eden Ravenscroft Photography are still available for individual family and group photographs in the Orme Suite, so there's still time to capture a prized family portrait for the future. And also, whilst mentioning the formal dress for today, could all graduates please kindly ensure that their robes are returned to Eden and Ravenscroft in the Orme Suite before leaving. Commemorative graduation bears, you may have seen one of the two of these around, are still available for sale in the foyer at the fantastic price of £5. The proceeds go to charity. Please get them before they're gone. This afternoon's ceremony has honoured students from across Group Llanryddello and Menai who have excelled in their academic studies and in their overall achievement. It's been an honour for me to help you celebrate your many individual successes. I would therefore like you to ask you to congratulate all our graduates collectively for one more time this afternoon in recognition of all their achievements. There are a couple of words of thanks that I also need to mention this afternoon, not least to which are our expert signers who have been working so tirelessly hard right the way through. Now, these ceremonies don't come together easily, and they are quite a job to organise and to get everything right and running in the right order. We nearly got there today, but there was one or two glitches I saw. But having said that, I think we made it. I'd like you to please to give a round of applause to the floor staff who've been working so tirelessly as well this afternoon. And a particular word of thanks goes to Andrew Mercer, who effectively put the graduation ceremony together this year. So my congratulations and thanks to him. So sincerely well done to all our graduates. Our very best wishes for the future go with you. I wish you a safe onward journey and also a safe, a lot of celebrating this evening, I suspect. Thank you all for taking part this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, would you now kindly stand for the platform party to leave the stage? Llongyfarchiadau iawn.